about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Good morning, Glam Squad. Today we woke up in the Bahamas. Woo! Today we are going, oh, you know it's foggy in the islands. Today we're going to a private island.
That's why I need goggles.
Man, Jayla going in the deep end. Woo! It's getting cold in here. Woo! Hey, hold your nose. 2, go. Look at that sexy mama approaching us. So my mom wants to talk about how I used to be so shy and how I'm a social butterfly now. But I think I still am like somewhat shy. Initially, I will not talk when I enter a room. But once I be like, all right, Jayla, go over here and introduce yourself. Then once I do it, I'm okay. But I feel like I'll go into a room and I'll be quiet. I will look at everybody, see who I can go up to, if they seem friendly, if I'm gonna sit and awkwardly be in the corner for a little bit. I gotta scope it out first.
Well, it used to be so much worse.
Why?
Because oh my God, you worried me to death. Because when you first went to doing me ass, you be crying all the time. How you used to go to the dining hall by yourself and sit by yourself, and you didn't know anybody and nobody talked to you, and you hated going to the dining hall.
I didn't have nobody to talk to, and I did sit alone. And people are just so mean. I won't say mean, but they're very standoffish. Like, if you don't go up and introduce yourself, if you don't talk at a party, if you don't know nobody, they're not going to come up to you and say, hey, come sit with me, or hey, you want to go out tonight? I had the worst roommate ever.
Leave that girl alone. Wasn't that? She was sweet. She was shy. Now she was really shy.
So my mom talking about I'm shy, and then she gonna say leave my roommate alone.
She was shy. She was shy. And but I mean, like, I don't think that Jayla realizes that, like, to what you think standoffish and what other people think is standoffish are totally different. Because, you know, like I said, you would always say that when the girls be sitting together and stuff like that, but you would never even put forth any effort to say hi. It's like, but then you would come home and you'd be like, Mommy, I wish I could just walk up to people and talk just like you do. And I'm like, but you can.
I hated it so bad. My mom was on the phone one day and she was just like, just go up to people and say hey. And I was like, no, I can't do that. But honestly, I do think the college scene is a lot harder to, like, it seems easy, and yes, I've mastered it now, but it is intimidating to go up to some girls and see what their response is going to be.
Rochelle, you remember Raquel? I remember when Raquel, we went to open house that first day, and Raquel just came up to you. She didn't have a clue who you was, and she started talking to you. Y'all went out that night. Remember that?
Yeah, Raquel, she definitely knows how to talk.
Yeah, she don't need a stranger.
Not at all.
So that's how you and her became friends, because of her. But yeah, I think that part of it was just you having to be a little more friendlier. I always say, Jaden is my friendly child. Jayla is not.
I'm really not. Like, the internet thinks I can be very nice, but I will not speak to you. I will nicely sit in my corner.
It's just her personality.
And be like,
Jayla's actually, you know, we used to always say, even my friends, they be like, Jayla, she doesn't talk. And I said, well, she talks more alone in her room to her computer and the camera. I said, but Jayla actually is quite shy until you get to know her, so to speak. But for a lot of people, oh, Oh no. I used to be like, man, you better go in here and act like you got some damn sense.
She still will borderline to this day.
Yeah, Jayla used to go somewhere with grandma, and then mama say, well, Jayla wouldn't get out the car. She sat in the car the whole time. I said, you should have drove her out. I'd be so mad that Jayla go somewhere and act like that. Or we go, I mean, it started a long time ago. You would sit around here. We were from a small town. And number one is Jayla already looking really awkward because she was like 3 with high heel shoes on and little ballerina dresses. And so I would just be running to the store, so I'd take them into the grocery store. Small town. Oh, that is nasty. I just had a oyster.
not an oyster, Mom.
I just had an oyster.
I always tell them that's what oyster tastes like. The sea. What is oyster? The sea. That's what it's gonna taste like.
That's oyster. But yeah, we go into the grocery store and she's clicking around with her little cart. That's when they first started giving the little kids grocery carts. And it'd be the nicest lady who know mama. She come out, oh, that's Jayla. She's so precious. She's so sweet. Jayla, look at him like, man, he don't get the hell out of here. I'd just be so embarrassed. So I had to start threatening her before we got out of the car and said, if you don't speak, I'm going to take your ass.
So then I got nicer?
No, you didn't. It didn't work. I still tried. No, you're just unfriendly. You're just not friendly. I did. I would talk about you. I said, my baby, she's like a Barbie doll. But her personality is like this stick. I would just go ahead and get a disclaimer. Now, her personality about like this stick right here now. Get that from her dad.
His personality is a stick. I feel like I got older and I started talking about my dad. Like, he doesn't laugh, he don't smile. He does, but like, you gotta know him, because if not, he's like whatever. Yeah.
And like Tammy and Miko so opposite.
So out there.
Right. Yeah. Tammy and Miko, they're total opposite.
They are.
And Kit Kat.
Yep. They don't meet strangers either. None of them.
I'm so very
baby, gotta come closer. Oh man. What? What was it? Time to go. We are leaving the beautiful getting on the boat back to the cruise. Strawberry daiquiri, and we are having burgers and fries. We have the like formal dinner at 6 o'clock, so after we eat we'll probably go shower, change, and then go to our formal dinner where they have like steak and seafood and like, you know, but this is just a quick little snack. I'm not gonna eat too much because I do, well, at the formal dinner they don't give you a lot. It's like the steaks are like, it's like bougie food. The fries are fresh. Jaden is about to try her strawberry chilled shrimp. No shrimp. I mean, I got shrimp. I got shrimp. Hold on. Strawberry chilled soup. What does it taste like? It's okay? Oh, it does taste like strawberry ice cream. Yeah. Food has arrived. I told you guys smaller portions. I think I want steak. They got pork chop. I told you guys I was getting the steak. Jaden is being dropped off at the Teens Club again. Let's see, is anybody in here yet? Today is a new day. It is a day at sea, and we're just about to go to the pool and then drop JD off at the Teens Club a little bit later. Right? You're excited? Why are you not looking excited? My mom's at guest services because the Wi-Fi is not working. I didn't even pay for the Wi-Fi, but it was like $36 for Wi-Fi for the entire trip, but it's not working. Lord, tomorrow I get back to Wi-Fi. Hallelujah, hallelujah.
We're gonna keep hey, my baby. How you
doing? Say hey to my channel.
Why she like playing with me right now while I'm trying to play with her? Oh, she do. That's the problem. The gag is. He's like I like women too. I like women too. What you like better? And she know it. Women. Oh, nice. Women. Men will never win when it comes to a woman being around. I prefer women all day, every day. Real talk. I love a woman. Like the thing about men is you. Men is fun or whatever like that, but women, like especially a well put together one, all day, every day, they'll always win. Yeah, guys.
Why they so fun?
Because y'all be wanting too much. Let me tell you women something. Every now and then it's okay to pick up a tab or to say, hey, let's go on a trip. Everything that you want your man to do, your man probably wants you to do.
Females that do all of that and they niggas is trash.
Because they niggas is gay. Because they niggas is gay. And they basic. And let me tell you something. Equally, yo, it's serious. Women, you want you a good man? Be a good woman. Men, you want you a good woman? Be a good man. Women that want women, men that want women, be what you want, and you will get it every time. And in the meantime, winning.
Yes. Jamal. Cheers. Back at dinner again. Oh, you got something different for me, Mom?
Yeah.
What's that?
Don't ask me to say what it is. It's the it's the shrimp. I can't think of the word.
Jaden got peach soup this time. Yum. And then I got 2 shrimp cocktails. Which I can have a good 4 more.
It's Caribbean chicken. They gave you like 5 baked beans.
I got regular.
This is what y'all be scared of.
Look, it's green.